What's going on, fellas, and welcome back to the day trading series. FOMC day. Do investors buy the dip? Do I buy the dip? Stay tuned right now. Let's get after it. And we are open. Home Depot is literally going haywire right now. $300 a contract? You gotta be kidding me. That's unjust. So AMD could be one to play on this flag. How are we gonna do here on Tesla? Getting into one Tesla put here. Getting ready for the opening range down, slash the flag break, slash the horizontal. I did a candle under candle after this giant candle. Yes, it's after 3 minutes, but let's see if we can do an opening range and then flush us down here. Big if true. Here we go, Tess. Bit of a bounce here. Not the best thing in the world to see, but the markets are turning over, which is a really good sign. So this is what we want to see. Here we go, Tess. Here we go. Let's make nice lows. Our average is decent. If this candle closes strong. Need to get that follow through down. I like this so far. Here we go. Break that horizontal. We're in the game. Yes, it is FOMC day, but here we go. Here we go, Tess. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Pre-market low at 1062. We're getting a big wick down. But need to see Tesla kind of follow through here. I mean, these candles are getting real crazy. Need to get that follow through down. I mean, I don't know why we're starting to wick down here. We have a huge imbalance that we need to clear. All the way down to 1042. How are we going to close this candle? All right. We're still below the 9, so I like it. I mean, we're turning over really on the NASDAQ. We need to get some follow through here. I mean, this is Chop City. All right. I mean, the contracts are holding up nice. Look at this volatility, man. This is nuts. Need to see a weak candle. This is a candle over candle. Needs to fail the candle over candle. NASDAQ about to turn red here. Still can't do it. Needs to fail the candle over candle. I got to come back down. Okay. This is a new 5 minute. This is very big. This is very, very big for Tesla here. Let's see how. So if the NASDAQ goes red here, takes out the low, we're in business. Looks like we're about to. Yes. All right, here we go. Test, got to follow. Look at that candle. That's why you hold for the 9, folks. If it's in your favor, you hold on just a little bit. But SPY might bounce off support. However, if it goes below it, we are in business. All right, here we go, Tess. I'm going to join the ask as it... All right, boom! As it gets into lows. Awesome trade. AMD looks ready to play. In there. Getting ready for the opening range down. We have a lot of room down here at 350. I'm fine for like a shakeout here. Needs to close weaker. Alright, that's a nice candle. It is a candle under candle fail. So now we have kind of like a smaller thing to look at on the 1 minute. Okay. Looks like we're rejecting nicely. But NASDAQ still looks weak. Alright, here we go. Opening range is close. This could be a video today, fellas. Let's go. Nice. Got to break that down. So low is 103.79. I'm loving this flag setup. I really am. But I mean, we are super duper volatile right now. How does AMD do it? Okay, this could be it. This is a big candle. We do have a couple more minutes left in this 5 minute candle. So I might want to set up for that specifically. But if we just go down, I'm game. A lot of size stacked up near my entry, so that could be buying or selling of the contracts. But look at these wicks down. Crazy. Volatility is absolutely nuts today. All right, here we go. All right, taking a little bit too long for me. I'm going to take one off. If it gets above the 9, I'll scale out again. Yep, that's it for me. All right, I'm in on X here. Looking to actually break above that, so broke the flag. Liking it a lot. Off of support too, so. But if we get back into this channel, I love it. So wait, what is this? 36.99. Oh, missed it by a cent. Now drop down a little bit so we could fill that small gap that we just got there. All right, here we go. Fill the gap, nice. Worried about the 5 minute 200, but if we just get below it, take out this imbalance to the sell side, could be good looks. Gotta hold this line though. I sell if we're below the 9. Let's check out the steel index. So looking like off support, which is nice. Nice. Here we go, X. Always buy the dip on this thing, guys. I mean, never fails. Ever, ever, ever. Great looking play so far. So we got rid of that. Nice. I mean, potentially a flag set up here on the 4 hour. AMD looks even better, to be honest, now. If I just waited for that candle to shake out, could have had a nice play. IV starting to ramp up here. I don't know if you guys saw that. All right, looking great so far here. As you can see, we need to recapture that 9. So what's that 9? 37, 34. Yep, look at that beautiful AMD play. That's unfortunate. All right, let's bring up the steel because we don't really need anything else. Look at that. All right, these contracts, though, shameful. Just the one thing is that the 5 minute 200 is such a powerful indicator. Like, we need to get above that. I mean, it looks like it's already wanting to start to curl up, but first things first is just closing over this 5 minute 200. Flattening in the 9 looks so good. God, this 5 minute 200 is going to cause problems. Bollinger's starting to get ready here, actually. I like that. Oh, I think people notice. Real nice candle here. Man, if we do it right now, that'd be nuts. Right there. We're right there, baby. Let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. New 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute setup. Okay, so we're above the 5 minute 200, which is big. Nice. Now I can get rid of these ugly chart lines. That's not the best. All right. Um, Gaps in price, dude. What, are you kidding me? You better get back up right now. All right. All right, I'm gonna call it there. I'm done with X for today. I'm done with everything for today. All right, look at that. $71 on the day. Fantastic. So first trade, Tesla. Let's go over it. Perfect play though, gotta say. Here, let me bring this in. Let me bring this in further on the 5 minute. So I mean, I was looking at this the entire time. I mean, clear flag, trend break, and we had a horizontal right under it, which was a huge level, which was previous lows back here on the first of the month. So as we saw this giant push up here, similar to the NASDAQ, it broke high of day. So then this is the top of its range. This is the bottom. So it set the low, set the high of the day. And what I was looking for was a break through the low. So I was looking for the candle under candle break, which would have been this level on this candle, break through, and at least hit the low of day range. As you can see, we got that, but this is why I use the 9 EMA whenever I'm playing anything. The 9 EMA is your daddy, all right? Pay attention to the 9 EMA because it shows you when it's time to go. The 9 EMA and the Bollingers, keep that in mind. That's why I have those two on there, and VWAP, because honestly, if I'm trading to the downside, I want it to be under VWAP. If I'm trading to the upside, I want it to be over VWAP. All right, so keep that in mind. So as you can see, we got the nice sell-off. I held through the 9. Then as you can see, literally rejected right off of it. Look at this sell-off. And we could have got a nice play on the retest of it. I mean, that's like a classic break, retest, and then another move down, which is literally exactly what it did. But either way, I'm happy with the trade. And AMD, so unfortunate. Really similar play. Let me show you the NASDAQ, though. So as you can see, NASDAQ had a really similar trade where it just went up on the first opening minute and then immediately got hammered back down, took out the low of day. And I knew we had levels to hit, so I was kind of confident that the downside would still continue a little bit. I mean, if we were bouncing, if we opened here, I'd be a bit nervous. So, but as of right now, I'm still bearish on Qs until it hits 350, 351. But yeah, similar setup to the NASDAQ. I was looking at AMD because, I mean, as you can see, since the beginning of this month, it is down almost 20%, 18%. That's crazy. But yeah, I was looking for a similar play. Just wish I held through a little bit. I was looking for it on these candles. So more specifically, I was looking for it on this 5-minute candle to break down. And it shot back up, did a candle over candle, fail, and then come back down to break the range. So it eventually did it. I'm super mad. I wish I got into it again, but then after that, I'm like, I don't know, it's going to be choppy. But I mean, look at this play. Absolutely beautiful. Break of the flag. Little similar retest and another move down. A really good picture perfect setup. I mean, like, that's what you look for every time you trade. And to be quite honest, I haven't really seen clean plays this week, so this is great. Then finally, X. Oh, man, that was a great trade. Okay, so honestly, it's still my bounce, and I hope it does. Because I drew up this. Probably see it more clearly on the... Oh, by the way, this is actually the best thing. This is for the real ones who actually watch the recaps of the trades. I'm going to drop some knowledge on you. You see this? You probably already know this, but you see this chart right here? Double tap the top of it. Oh my god, man. I never knew that, and that is so... Double tap it again. Minimizes. How crazy is that? If you want the 1 minute bigger, you open the 1 minute. This was game-changing for me a couple days ago. I don't know how I figured it out, but look at this. Unreal. So, you're welcome. But that's what I wanted to do. So let's open this chart up. I love that. On the 4 hour, you see it's kind of clean. And we have the flag set up here, so I thought we looked okay for more upside. I mean, it bounced right off of the trend, so I liked it. Double bottom, the 5-minute 9 wasn't too far away. So as soon as we broke the flag here and got over back into the trend on the closer time frame, I really liked it, but started looking toppy. When we saw this flag break, wheat is up. When I saw this flag break, it broke out and immediately back down, and sometimes X shakes out, and sometimes it goes down, gets right back up, and when it closes up, it shows its strength, but it showed its weakness. So that's just learning the personality of the stocks, because they definitely do have personality, let me tell you. Yeah, great day, honestly. So FOMC going to be really important today, so let's keep an eye out for that. $71 on the day. Finally, guys, I've been waiting for a good day to give you. I had a green day yesterday, but I mean, it was like $10. Now we're done at 10 o'clock, banging out. Interesting. Loved it. So again, guys, if you enjoyed it, drop a like for me. Drop a sub. Leave me a comment. Also, let me know what you guys think. And we're also closing in on 350 subs. So that'd be awesome if you could drop me one. I'd really appreciate it. And again, just wanted to say that YouTube keeps putting ads in my videos, and I'm not monetized yet. So, like, I agree with what they're doing because this platform is great and they can do what they want. But I feel like it's kind of unfair that you guys are getting ads and it's not even benefiting me at the moment. So if you guys agree with that, drop me a sub so I can get that monetization going. But regardless, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.